All right, well, we are walking down to the beach. We are going to fly the drone because now that we have this thing back, we're flying the heck out of it. So it's a nice sunny day. This is the cobblestone little boardwalk area in El Tunco. It's really cute here. And the beach is just up ahead. Well, it's lunchtime before we hit the road, and I'm gonna have some pupusas. She's making some traditional pupusas here. This is a El Salvadorian thing. You get different things in it. It's good. It's like cheese. So I get cheese and shrimp. Good. Hot.
Now we're packing up and getting ready to hit the road. We'll see you in San Salvador.
And we have arrived. It's cute. It's a cute places. All right, we just got in. This is our pad for the next 4 days. Bit of a noisy fan there. You know, little apartment. Looks like 2 bedrooms.
And now we are off to the club. Pew, 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 pew. Wow. What are you thinking?
Oh, I had an amazing time. I didn't realize we were recording.
Morning, y'all. This is our last day in San Salvador, so we were just here basically a day or so after a fun night at the club last night. We're feeling all right. So Brandon is packing up. I unfortunately am working, but we're getting packed up, and then we're gonna head over to the airport for our flight to Belize.